Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. So this is yet another video in which I'll be introducing to one more package of React Native. So this is another React Native keychain. So basically this library provides the access to the keychain in iOS and key store in Android. Basically it is for storing the secure information like the password tokens and any other sensitive information which you don't want to get exposed outside or want to store securely. You can do that with the help of this thing. So now we'll be making use of this package React Native keychain. So installation is very easy over here. So first of all, what you do, you have to run this command npm install React Native keychain. After that, you have to run this command so that pods are getting installed. So basically, you have to run this command only for the iOS if you're developing the app for the iOS, not for the Android. So you have to run this command, and after this you have to run this particular command which is basically the npx react native run iOS. So this will run your application on the iOS simulator. And right now, as can be seen on the right hand side, this application is running. So basically what have I done over here, I am taking the input for the username and the password. So these are the two input fields, which is this and this, these two input fields, which is taking the input like the username and the password over here. And then I am clicking on this save credentials button over here. So this will basically what it will do, it will call this save credential function. So here is the save credential function over here. So if the username or password is not there, if it is empty, it will throw the error that you enter the username and password. So then I'm calling this keychain dot set generic password, and I'll be setting up the generic password along with the username and the password. And then I'm fetching back. I will say await keychain dot get generic password. I'm again fetching it back just to show the data over here. So if I click on the save credentials, I'm also again fetching the data back. What was the username and password that was saved? I'm showing it down below over here. Okay, so just to show this data over here down below, I'm again fetching those credentials back. And once I get those credentials, I am again assigning those to the username and the password. So this is the object in where I am assigning creds.username and the creds.password to this keys username and the password. And this is basically the set saved cred. So this is use state. Okay, as can be seen, this is the use state which takes the input as a username and the password over here. And then once the credentials are saved, I'll say show the message that this is the status, which is credentials saved and loaded. Here as can be seen, this is the status that I am seeing. Okay, so over here if you see, so this is the part which will show the username and password once that has been fetched from the keychain. So over here, this is the username password that we are seeing over here, and whatever is the status, that status is shown over here. So basically, this is the status part. Okay, so you don't have to focus on all these things, this code, like this style and everything over here. The only important part over here is we can make use of the React Native keychain to store the sensitive data. And as can be seen, this package has a lot of weekly downloads and seems to be fine to me. So you can go to their GitHub repository and check over there also if you want to get more details on this. Okay guys, so this is all about the keychain, React Native keychain. If you want to use it, you can use it and implement it in your code, and this will be very helpful for you all. So thanks guys for watching.